Okay, we're all on the van,
Usually not a
getting ready to go up. There's what looks like outside. There's all the people on here.
Does that
They
mean
look
you'll
all
carry
happy.
us during the hard? Does that
We
mean
have our
you'll
guide
carry
in the
us?
back.
No, you know what?
At this side, and I'm right here. So there we are. Okay, got my mask on. Everybody's got their mask on here because we have to keep our
smiling or not.
we have to keep our mask on the whole time. My glasses are going to get fogged up, so I may not see half of what's there without my glasses on.
So the secret was to take off your glasses.
I did. Okay, we're on the move here. Going up in our van. There we go. Okay. Come on back here. Everybody back here. Come on back here. Entrance to the butterfly sanctuary here. That's where we came from. Down there, the rest of our group. All right. Oh, we're on the horses here. I can't see the other ones up in front of me. I don't want to do the camera because I'm holding on to the horse here, even though we have a guide that's with us. But we want to go downhill a little bit here, so I better turn this off. Yes, I am on the horse here, and I'm going up, and you can see me here. Okay, we got to hold on here. Well, we're at the end of the trail here for the horses, and we got to walk some. So we're all getting off over there, and people getting their photos taken and whatnot here. But we got a little hike in front of us after this, but we'll try to do the best that we can here. All right. Well, this is where the butterflies are. They're right up here, up in the trees up there. You can't get in close, but they're up there, all around in there. See some flying up here above us. Cool. Butterflies are right behind me there, so no, it's okay. It's okay. I got it. They're right up there, flying up the top there. They're right here. They're there. I'm waiting to have them come on me, but I guess not. But they're up there too. So, okay, Ed Kelly signing off.
Ah, la niña. María, si sacas la foto.
Smile. Okay, he's on my hand here. There he is. He likes the well-aged stuff. Yes, that's what it
I love
is.
the way he's still fluttering. He's still alive.
It actually has a nice feeling to it too there, you know, like a massage.
I think I'm going to get closer. I hope he's still moving. I hope he's still moving. Okay. One of my foot is still moving.
He likes that hand sanitizer maybe.
Maybe true for us as well.
Alcohol in it.
That's true. Well, we're at the end of the trail, all downhill going back. We took the horses going up, and we had some pavement, some trail. It wasn't too bad, steep at times, but where it was really steep, they would put in some steps so you could navigate those, so it would be okay then. And this is the Baños here. Everybody needs to go. Well, we're on the road going back down from the butterfly area. I'm in the back of the truck here, as you can see. I'm right here. And I'm here in the back of the truck, got my mask down so you can hear me talk then. And I'll do it over this way so the light's in my face then. So here we are, and we have a rest of our group here, our guides, everybody else in here. So they're all happy faces, all got souvenirs. Butterflies landed on many of us here. I wasn't festooned with butterflies, but many of us had, butterfly here or there crawling all over us, but, maybe one or two, but it was still nice. All right, back to the road here. Well, we have our typical natural habitat refreshments as we always have here. On these trips, they always have it set up for us nicely here. So we have snacks, vino, and all kinds of stuff. Great view from up here. Great view up here. Looking over countryside here in Mexico. It is, time check, 5 p.m. or 1700. On the 31st of January. All right, so there we are. Beautiful setup here. Okay, fireplace going in my room. 2 nights here. It's kind of nice. I think the flue stays open all the time, but I have a heater too, so this is not the source of heat. But it's just nice for a little ambiance, a little something in the room here. So, all right, gotta charge the batteries right now.